Hi friends, this video shows how to install Amazon Prime Video app. First we have to select Apps tab from top, select Apps tab, then select the search field. So here we have to type Amazon. Okay, then select this search button. See, here we can see Amazon Prime Video app, select it. Then select this install button, then press OK button on the remote. So now it's downloading and installing Prime Video app, so please wait. See, now it's installing. Okay, installation completed. We can open this Prime Video app from here or go to home screen, then again go to apps tab. So here under your apps, go to right side. Here we can see the Prime Video. Select this. Okay, so this way we can install Amazon Prime Video app. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.